Facebook Messenger video call sound problem. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix it in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Messenger and after that, click on force stop. When you click on force stop, the app is gonna be stopped. So then go to the storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. After you click on delete, all the data is gonna be deleted as you can see. And then go back, click on data usage here and disable the Wi-Fi and enable it back again. And last thing you wanna do is go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Messenger and update it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.